Hey, Shannon. Shannon Wallace of Seattle Public Library's TuesD Chambers of SPS, Seattle Public Schools, and Librarian at Ballard High School. So happy to have you join us. I am excited because I know that we have access, our students and staff have access to an amazing resource with our partnership with you. So if you could share a little bit about Hoopla and how they're always available and immediate for our staff and students, that'd be awesome.
Absolutely. Hi, thank you. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen here. And I'm just starting at the Seattle Public Library website, spl.org. I'm going up here to the top to this tab about books and media and clicking on books and ebooks. So Hoopla, which is the third one listed here, has a digital comics collection that I wanted to show you. And here I'm going to click Explore Hoopla Comics. So that link will take you directly to the comics page of Hoopla. Hoopla also does contain music and movies and TV shows, but this has taken us directly to the browse area for comics. So one thing about Hoopla is that all of these titles are available at all times. So you never have to wait, you don't have to put them on hold, and any number of people can use them at the same time. Now there is a limit to the number of items you can have checked out from Hoopla in one calendar month, and it's 15. So just keep that in mind as you're looking. Don't check out everything. You have to make some decisions as you go along. But I did want to
15 hard choices. Okay.
15 per calendar month, right?
Okay.
So October 1st, you're going to have 15 new ones.
Okay, great.
But just to let you know about this. So this automatically is just showing me what's popular, but I did want to show you that there are a bunch of different categories here that are created by Hoopla. And so some of these might tie into, for instance, some of your curriculum. I'm not really sure, but you'll have to take a look. And I know there's there's Best of Hoopla, Memoir and Biography. That might be of use to classes. Conversations about race. There are other topical ones in here, historical comics. So let's just try by clicking on historical and see what we get. Right now, this is showing us all potential historical comics. So it's over 1,000 comics. It's an overwhelming number. You might want to use some of these items on the left to sort of limit down your choices here, but it is showing you kind of the most checked out ones at the top of the list. You will find comics in this database for all ages. So all the way from very young to things with quite mature content. So you really want to be careful about that as well. There is a way to limit it to just children's titles. Unfortunately, there's not a good way to limit just to teen. But you can, let's see. Yeah, I think if you click children's titles, yeah, it sort of limits out the ones that would be like for young adults. So it's already limited out. You know, March, for instance, was the first hit on the last page.
Got it. Well, this is an incredible resource, Shannon. Thank you so much for showing this to us. I can't wait to share it with staff and students.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me. And let me know if you have any more questions, if you want us to make more videos or run you through other resources. We're always available to help you out.
SPL is the best. Thank you.